Darn it, I'm out of green onion. I would just start on the banana bread.
The base damage on there.
Do I remember how to? I don't think I remember. Top of my head. Let me quickly grab my phone.
You have base damage?
Let's see.
Yeah,
I need to use my own recipe, but I forgot it. I need a refresh. Okay, found it. Oh my god, why is my banana bread so complicated?
I don't care about anything.
Okay. I'm a ninja.
I think if they have great corn though, isn't that a problem though?
Perfect amount. So in this bowl, I'm going to have butter, melted butter.
No, I don't think they want that. I think they want great corn. Sandwich, whatever. I think corn band is better.
Captain Hecky, thank you so much for the 10 months. Purple Ninja. Pork over. Shokugeki, there's one called, like, I forgot what it's called. Something Cooking Boy. Is it Cooking Boy? True Cooking Boy? I don't remember. But it's good. It's okay.
I've been buying.
Use a liquid measure, don't be me. This is not accurate. But it'll do. This one, I forget what it's called.
I mean, you can just take rest. Just take rest.
Did you already watch Michael's new video? Yes, it's so good. I love it. Alright.
Anyways.
So, let me change cameras.
We have bottom file.
Alright, so in one bowl we have oil.
I mean, grapes is like, I'm used to grape later, but I can provide.
Camera. Hello. Oil.
Yeah, I know.
The other one has melted butter.
I know. It's fine. I'm just saying, like, I go lethality and he goes armor skill. I'm saying that damage-wise, I'm useless.
Okay, so in the melted butter, we're going to put 1/3 cup
You should go lethality. I disagree.
brown sugar.
It's fine.
Cooking Master Boy, yes. So 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, and it's roughly juicy.
No. How about rough pie? I don't like PK. I don't like.
And then this one is Third cup of white sugar. I just do heaping for the +2 tablespoons.
I think Fash or Rakan is good too.
Okay. So this one has butter and brown sugar. This one is just oil and white sugar. Thank you for the Patreon. Leave extra eggs for baking. One egg in each. She's... There we go. Half teaspoon of vanilla in each. Yeah. And give it a mix. This is chocolate banana bread. So the brown sugar is going to have the cocoa powder, so it matches the chocolate color, and then the white is going to just be plain, and when it's plain it takes on a more yellow color, so that's why you get that chocolate banana. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 overripe bananas in each. Pretty nasty. This is very overripe. So I'm just gonna
Facts.
split them in half. And then the fold. Overripe bananas so sweet. Yeah, that's why they're good for the bread. Preheat the oven now.
I mean, it's because you guys know me.
Preheat to 350.
I don't know. I only know me.
I think I ran out of cocoa powder.
Are you guys again? It's like an empty.
Let's try matcha. It's fine.